Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can enter for the pairing mode and link the OPPO Enco X2 with your iPhone. So first of all, open the case, click and hold this button until indicator starts blinking like that. Next you have to open the settings, go to the Bluetooth, turn it on and select OPPO Enco X2 from the list. It will appear actually on the other devices. So let's try to restart the Bluetooth because I have some kind of the issue. There we go, let's select OPPO Enco X2. Right now when you are connected, you can finally go to the App Store and get the Hey Melody application. We have to get this one. Right now we can open, accept all the permissions that will pop on your screen, click to add. Okay, it looks like there is no devices found, so let's click and hold this button and enter for the pairing mode. There we go, click to scan again. As you can see, we've got the Enco X2, so let's select them, accept the pairing. And right now, when we are successfully connected, we can use this application like we want. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.